Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where you persistently get the ERR CERT revoked error on your computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to check the date and time. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the time and language tab on the list on the left hand side. Select date and time in the right pane. Make sure all these three switches are on and then click on sync now and make sure that you get a tick mark here. Then the next solution is to disable extensions on Chrome. Search for Chrome and open Google Chrome. Click on these three dots at the top right corner and then select extensions and manage extensions. Now if you have any extensions here which are problematic, then you can remove them. The next solution will be to let me show you, remove any VPN and proxy on your system, especially a third party VPN and proxy. And lastly, just reset Chrome. This will fix the problem, whatever it is, because you don't know what all settings were changed, right? Click on these three dots here, select settings from the menu, go to the reset settings page, restore settings to the original defaults, reset settings, and lastly, obviously if it doesn't show the certificate on multiple browsers, then you can contact the website owner to get a certificate. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.